Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
Gather tools and prepare the car before changing a 2010 Nissan Maxima headlight bulb. You need an H11 replacement bulb, 10 mm socket, flat screwdriver, clean gloves, and about 15 to 30 minutes. Park on level ground, set the parking brake, open the hood, and disconnect the negative battery terminal if you prefer extra safety. Leave the lights off and allow the bulb to cool if recently used. Keep the new bulb in its box until ready and lay a towel over the bumper to protect paint. Access the headlight assembly from the engine bay. Remove the plastic access cover behind the headlight by turning the dust cap or undoing two clips with a flat screwdriver. If a small metal bracket holds the bulb, use a 10 mm socket to remove any bolts, then rotate the retainer 90 degrees counterclockwise to free the bulb. Unplug the electrical connector by pressing the tab and pulling straight back. Carefully pull the H11 bulb straight out and place it in a safe container for disposal or recycling. Install the new H11 bulb by handling it only by the plastic base and avoiding contact with the glass. Skin oils can shorten bulb life. Insert the bulb into the socket in the same orientation, rotate the metal retainer 90 degrees clockwise to lock it, and reconnect the electrical plug until it clicks. Reinstall any screws or the plastic access cover and torque fasteners snugly with a 10 mm socket. Reconnect the battery if disconnected and test the headlight. Adjust aim if the beam is misaligned, then close the hood and dispose of the old bulb properly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.